All right, guys, it's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's going on in the shop. Before we do that, it is about 2 o'clock on Wednesday. This is the first day of the Hellcat Bash. So somebody tonight is going to win $10,000. Somebody tomorrow is going to win another $10,000, then $20,000, and then a Hellcat or $50,000 cash. These are all the tickets we have left. 3,333 tickets, and I've got a couple hundred here at the most in my hand. So hopefully these will be gone by 7 o'clock tonight. Show you what's going on here. We've got an Acura NSX Type S. Paint on this car is absolutely gorgeous. We tinted it a couple of weeks ago. It's back for paint protection film. The whole front end and the rocker panels are getting done. This front end does not have patterns available for it, and it's not going to because it's such a rare car. So this is all going to have to be hand-cut pieces. On the lift, we have a 4Runner. This car got paint protection film installed on the front end and the rocker panels, and I believe it's next in line for a ceramic coating. And the 4Runner also got pieces on the front and the rear. These are usually silver plastic, and we wrap those in satin black. All right, here's a unique project for our good friend Jeff. This thing is here for some paint protection film. There's Jeff in the driver's seat. Behind the NSX is a T-Rex that looks awfully familiar. Looks just like Justin's from Horsepower Obsessed, but it's not, because you're going to see his too. This is basically the identical spec. The only difference is the wheels are, like the beadlock is silver on this one, and his are black. So what's this one getting, Aaron? This one's getting paint protection on the whole front end and the wear and tear package. That's a really popular add-on we do. It's the door cups, the sills, and the edges. And it's getting a coating after the paint protection film. We've got 2 electric cars in here today. One's the Tesla in the wash bay. That one's the stealth wrapped Model Y. It's getting cleaned up. And then we have a Kia EV6. This is the first all-electric Kia we've had in. So this one got a ceramic coating installed. I think it's done, right? Yeah. In the tint bay, we just had a really crazy morning with tint, but now Terrell is assembling a chair. So that means you must be totally caught up.
Yeah, I'm caught up now.
That's good. Caleb is over here cleaning the dryer out. Probably long overdue. We wash, I don't know, how many loads of towels? 10 a day?
Lots of loads.
Lots of loads.
All of the loads.
All right, outside we've got a Kia K5. This is next on the list for Terrell after he's done building chairs. And a Gladiator Rubicon loaded up with some new dirt bikes in the back. This is also for our friend Jeff. We're doing paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coating on it, and then we're also going to be doing ceramic, I believe, and maybe some PPF on those dirt bikes. Those are brand new KTMs, beautiful bikes. That 300 is a 2-stroke 300, so that thing's got to be a monster. And our friend Ed brought in his Yukon. This one's here for a cleanup. There's the other T-Rex. This is Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, our business partner in Blackout, Miami. Hopefully they get to show you what's going on down there this week. They've been really busy, and they've got a smaller staff. Look what's back. The GTO, the GOAT, King of the South, as Jimmy would call it. This is the car that we took on a road trip to Key West a little over a year ago. On the way back, we had a mishap with a deer, and we had to get some panels repainted. So it is finally done. And we did an annual inspection on this Dodge Ram. So go over the car, make sure the coating's performing the way it is supposed to be. And it was. Right here's an F-150 paint protection film on the whole front end of this one. It's ready to go home. All right, so this is an interesting situation. This is a McLaren Mp4 12C. And you'll notice that on the bumper there's some areas where paint is missing. So the story behind this car, there was some paint protection film installed on this somewhere else, and something needed removed and replaced, basically for warranty purposes. What we discovered in the process of removal, we're always up front with our customers ahead of time with this. It's possible there could be aftermarket paint, and a lot of times when they do aftermarket paint, they slap film on before it's cured or whatever, and I think that's what happened here. So it did pull some of the paint off. Very, very rare, almost impossible that it happens with factory paint. In this case, it was aftermarket. So there was evidence of that once we pulled the film off that the car was resprayed before. It's a shame, but we'll get it taken care of. That's all that's happening in the LATROBE shop. We are booking out about a month for paint protection, a couple of weeks for window tint. Still have some openings for coatings, but spring is definitely here. Let's see how Gibsonia is doing.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have a 2018 Chevy Silverado. This got our XPEL Prime CS window tint in 5% on all the side windows, the back window, and the visor. First up inside, we have a brand new 2022 C8 Corvette. Seems like we have at least one C8 in the shop here in Gibsonia every single week. This got an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We corrected and coated all the white paint, all the black accent pieces, the wheels, the glass, and all. Here we have a brand new 2021, I believe, Challenger wide body. This is in for a full paint protection film wrap on all of the black painted surfaces. Here we have Mark working on a 2013 Chevy Camaro. This has a lot of grime on the wheels, you guys can kind of see here in the video. So we're going to be jacking this up, pulling off all 4 wheels, correcting and coating all the wheels, and also doing the same thing on the paint. So full correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on this Camaro. This is also getting a window tint job. So we're doing all the side windows and the back window and our Prime XR Series 20% window tint. In the back, we have Austin finishing up this C43 AMG. This got some XPEL PPF on the entire front bumper and some gloss accent pieces. So these Mercedes handles come with the tops of them from the factory chrome, and now all 4 are gloss black. It also got on the back this chrome piece that goes the width of the trunk that was once chrome, now it is gloss black. In the back, we have another full wrap. This is on a 2022 Mustang GT. This is getting a full body paint protection film wrap along with a full window tint. This too is getting the XPEL Prime XR 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. And lastly, up on the lift, we have an S-Class Mercedes-Benz. This is getting a full front paint protection film wrap. So full hood, 2 front fenders, mirror caps, and front bumper, along with a full paint correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thank you guys very much for tuning in on Wednesdays. We really appreciate it. Make sure you check out the PA Lottery tonight to see who is the first winner of the Hellcat Bash, and we will see you next week.